Hey guys and girls, you're joining me, FoxGreen, today, running the SSR90 by novice for my very first time, along with my trusty SSP18. Today I'll be playing an Escarmouche in Northern Ireland. It's my first time playing here. So let's get stuck into gameplay, as this is going to be really action-packed. I decided to make a crazy beeline for the bus, but it doesn't work out so well.
Ow! Hit!
Yep, that hurt quite a bit and I got absolutely riddled by the enemy players. On my way back from respawn, this time I'm a lot more cautious. This time I move from cover to cover carefully, taking out enemies as I go.
They're coming very close to me. Another one down. Watch yourself, get in, you're gonna get shot here. Buddy, the BBs are zipping past your head.
Today I'm using the SSR90 on 0.32 gram BBs at 1 Joule, and it's performing really well.
He did? Oh yeah, was he not taking it?
No.
You okay?
Yeah, that was a big one. Jesus.
Come on, guys!
As a lot of my teammates are behind me, I decide to lay down some cover by popping some smoke.
Wait for the smoke! Wait for the smoke! That is awesome!
Hit right in the neck.
Guys, use the smoke!
With the smoke covering me, I decide to move into the bus carefully this time.
What's that?
I'm taking quite a lot of incoming fire, so I have to crawl up into position. I nailed that guy through the smallest crack in the pallet. This gun is pretty damn accurate. As expected, this position gives me a great overview on the field. Damn it, time to reload. This gun sure is hungry and it eats mags really fast.
Fucking hell. Oh, this is intense, people.
That was a nasty headshot.
Friendly! Fucking hell. Push up!
Despite my best efforts, my teammates are still struggling to move into my position.
Hit!
And I get taken out by a sneaky
Hit,
sniper
man.
in the woods.
Good man. And we go again. Cheers.
I move quickly from the respawn to retake the zone I was in. This time I've got a teammate help me out in the bus also,
Keep pushing,
which is a
boys.
good sign. Bit by bit, I'm managing to push the enemies back. However, I do get taken out again. This time when I return from respawn, my teammates have pushed up and made a lot of ground.
normally a guy
We
behind
work
the
together
back
to
left of that
take the
building.
fortress in the middle of the site. I find an enemy player reloading behind this and I bang them.
Bang bang. Bang bang. I won't shoot you.
Remember that rented player I banged? Look what's behind me. They clearly don't know what a bang rule is and they shoot me.
Hit. Hit.
There's no point in me arguing it, so I just take it and walk back to respawn. I know I'll be back in the game in seconds. And seconds later, I am back in.
Oh guys, keep pushing. Keep pushing. Go house.
Finally, we've taken the fortress in the middle of the field, and it's time to move in.
Guys, clear. Move in.
Guys, it's clear. Push up.
Where's the closest one to get to?
There's one flag on that side.
We've pushed the enemies at this point back to their final respawn, so they're hanging on by a thread. I made that last shot count.
Watch it, where's that coming from? He's down. Well, I definitely hit him in the head anyway. Whether he's going to take it or not, probably won't. No, he did, he took it.
There's a guy behind there, near Manila. Watch your head.
Come on, thank you for saving my ass.
There's a guy behind there.
Behind which?
No, he's up in power.
He's behind the back of that building, yeah?
Yeah.
2 seconds.
As you can see there, a concealed sniper in a ghillie suit barely misses me from the bushes. As I'm quite exposed here and taking enemy fire that I can't really see, I decide it's time to push out from here.
Okay, we need to push up.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, guys, everyone push up on the outside. We can shoot them all day in here. It's never going to change. Right, guys, we got all just keep pushing up, yeah? Because we're going to do fuck all back there.
We need to make one last push as a team.
Come on, guys, push up!
There's that sniper in the bushes.
Okay, guys, just keep fucking running, cover each other.
Pretty close push.
We are now really putting pressure on the enemy team, and we're all pushed up together.
Guys, 1 minute, you gotta push hard, 1 minute.
I move over to my pistol as I'm running low on ammo in my SSR90. And the whistle goes. We got super far, and despite my best efforts, in the end we didn't make it. Guys and girls, I hope you really enjoyed this gameplay. If you did, please like, subscribe, hit that notifications button, and tell me what you thought in the comment section of my video. I'm FoxGreen, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.